Hey y'all, so even the just first floor lobby is gorgeous. Look at this. It's just stunning. It's new, it's really, really nice. It's a beautiful area. And this is just the area just to lease an apartment. But it's beautiful. I love it that every area is high attention to detail. Of course, you do have some free coffee over here, so we might be taking advantage of that. That's pretty cool. But anyway, beautiful, elegant, modern high rise. This is, to me, kind of the place to be. This is beautiful. So we're going to check this out more on our tour. I do want you to see also there there is a mailbox area. So this is where you go to grab your mailbox, your mail, and things like that. So that's all here. Really, really nice. And by the way, this is the mail numbers are not like your floors. They're different, so that no one's gonna be able to look and see maybe like your mailbox and then be able to trace it to your floor and stuff like that. They're a lot better than that. So they're gonna really secure your privacy and make sure that's in place.